And today what I have for you guys is a crate, but a crate that doesn't spin that way. But it is more than just a crate, of course. It is also the wagon or the cart that goes with it, but this just isn't any wagon. This is also a dolly as well. So how cool is that? All right, so this is a much closer look, and you can see the size of your crate here, and it just picks up, and you can see how it automatically folds on the sides, and when they drop and these just drop down and your hand crate's ready to go. You will get bungee cords that you can secure your load with and also secure the basket down to the actual cart itself. And then this is the cart up close, and when you go to unfold it, you squeeze these in, you pull it up, and as you pull this up, your front wheels fold out. I want you to see that action just like that. And then it automatically locks in. And then on the bottom, you grab the handle and you pull it out. And that's how you put it in the actual like wagon mode or cart mode. And then you squeeze these handles right here and pull it up and lock it in. And you have these little tabs right here, and these tabs, or these little pegs right here, go in these tabs just like this. And it will actually lock itself in just by putting weights in there. But like I said, it does come with bungee cords if you want to secure it more. And so if you don't need a wagon and say you need to move a trash can or something, which we're going to demo in a second, you just take this off. And what we use this for real quick is we use this for when we go to like Sam's and Aldi's and places that don't bag your groceries. We just put all of our groceries in here. Then we bring it out to the car. We just take all the groceries out. We set them in the back of the car, and then you fold your cart up and you're good to go. Then when you get home, you can unfold the cart, put the basket back in, and roll your groceries right into the house, never dealing with bags. But let's get back to converting this to a dolly. And the way you do that is you squeeze this handle and you bring it all the way up, and you can see the wheels fold in. And then when you fold this down, just like so, you're all done and ready to go. And then you can do stuff like roll around 50-gallon trash cans with a single hand with no issues whatsoever. And just like with the cart, when you're all done, you just flip this up, you flip this down, you pull your handle in, you pull this handle up, and you're ready for storage. So if you're looking for a great cart that's great for those big supermarkets, those big wholesale centers, for baseball games, if you have sports with your kids, for traveling to hotels even, and you need something compact and convenient that can hold up to 330 pounds, which is quite a lot of weight, and this thing is built very sturdily, then I highly recommend this setup. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.